This flight game mount claims to elevate your simulator experience to new heights, but does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. The Marada Racing Flight Game Mount, complete with a striking red seat, is designed for serious flight sim enthusiasts, specifically those wielding Thrustmaster's A10C HOTAS Warthog. Right out of the box, the build quality feels robust. It's constructed from alloy steel, using a sturdy 40x40x15 square tube, which gives it a reassuringly solid feel. This isn't some flimsy piece of kit. It feels like it's built to last through countless virtual sorties. The seat itself is a nice touch, upholstered in artificial simulation PU leather with sponge filling. It's comfortable enough for extended gaming sessions, though serious simmers might opt to swap it out for their preferred racing seat down the line. The real magic, however, lies in its adjustability. The shift lever, which I assume refers to the mounting points for your controls, can be adjusted both up and down, and crucially, left and right, allowing for a truly personalized setup. This is a huge win for ergonomics, ensuring you can position your throttle and joystick exactly where you want them for maximum immersion and control. The mount also boasts 3 interchangeable change plates, which offer further customization for your control layout. This flexibility is key for adapting to different aircraft or even different game genres. Compatibility is another strong point. It's explicitly designed for the Thrustmaster A10C HOTAS, but it also plays nicely with Logitech rudder pedals and Thrustmaster flight foot rudders. The pre-drilled holes make installation straightforward, and the fact that it supports modification means you can really make it your own. Now, a crucial point to remember: the throttle and joystick are not included. This is a mount, a foundation for your existing or future controls. So factor that into your budget. The stability is impressive. The 3-plate system seems to do a great job of keeping everything locked down, even during intense dogfights or demanding landings. There's no noticeable wobble or flex, which is essential for precise control inputs. Overall, the Marada Racing Flight Game mount with red seat appears to be a well-built, highly adaptable, and stable platform for any serious flight simulator pilot. If you're looking to upgrade your cockpit and achieve a more ergonomic and immersive setup, this mount is definitely worth considering. It provides a solid foundation for your HOTAS and pedals, allowing you to fine-tune your controls for the ultimate virtual flying experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.